Hello and good morning. It is freezing. It is so cold. It's like 20 degrees and super icy out, but Nate is watching the kids for me today, so I escaped for a little while and am going to head to Bed Bath & Beyond because I need to get some plates, bowls, silverware, all of the essentials. We're actually doing Thanksgiving at our house, which gave me a kick in the butt to get the house all organized since we just moved. So I'm gonna get all the last minute things that we need and take you guys along with me. I am in the Starbucks drive-through line right now. I just want a hot chocolate because I'm so cold, and then we are going to head to Bed Bath & Beyond. I need to get some wine glasses because I'm sure people will be enjoying wine. I feel like these will do. Maybe I'll just get the mixture here, all-purpose wine glasses. I feel like that'll do. I don't know, I'm not a wine drinker. I like champagne when I can drink it. And then I also need to get some glasses. 16-piece set, so 8 tall and 8 small. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. All right, we're pretty full already, and I've been here like 10 minutes. These are really cute. I like this cheese board. And then I also thought that was cute for veggies and dip. So I think I'm gonna get that. They also have that for chips and dip, which is really cute. There's so many choices and I'm so indecisive. I never know. I don't know why I still have my hat on because I'm like sweating in here. But one of the girls that works at Bed Bath & Beyond is so cute and so nice and probably saw that I was struggling, and so she grabbed another cart for me because this cart is full and she's helping me. I'm like, I need something to put a turkey on, I need something to put rolls on, so she's picking out stuff for me for like serving, or I would be here seriously for like 6 hours because I'm clueless. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Do you have a juice stash? You have juicy on your mouth.
Yeah.
What are we gonna go do?
Chili Mac.
And who else?
Baby Adeline.
Not baby Adeline. She's in Texas. We're gonna go see baby Sloan.
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go get dressed.
Dad is taking a shower.
He is taking a shower. Let me see. Brush your teeth and then mommy will help you. Good girl. My turn?
No, yeah.
Let me help you. Ready? Are you coming with me to pick out some flowers for Emily and baby Sloan? Yeah. Who'd you pick these little flowers out for? Who are these for? Are these for the baby and then mommy's getting some for her mommy? You did such a good job. For Emily, those are beautiful. I like your outfit today. These turned out so cute. And then there's the mini ones that look just like it.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
You guys, I'm so excited to tell you about our new mattress that we got from Lullbed. If you've been following me for a while, you know that we had a water leak in our house that turned into asbestos spill, and we lost our home, lost all of our belongings, and had to start completely over, which includes clothes, furniture, mattresses, absolutely everything. So I started doing a ton of research because I wanted to make sure that we got the best mattress, because I am pregnant with twins and us mamas need our sleep. So I did a ton of research and came across the Lullbed. It has absolutely amazing reviews, and they offer free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial, which completely sold me. If you know me, you know I'm extremely indecisive, especially when it comes to big purchases like mattresses. So I love the idea of being able to try it out, see how I like it, and if we don't like it, we can send it back. But we absolutely love it. It is so soft. One thing I love is my husband, I feel like, tosses and turns a lot in bed at night, and I can't feel it. Like, I absolutely love that. And I honestly have gotten the best sleep that I've gotten in a long time. It feels so good on my back, especially being pregnant with all the aches and pains. This bed has been absolutely amazing. My kids have been sleeping in here with me and my husband because they love this mattress so much too. And I ended up purchasing 2 mattresses from Amazon that were highly recommended to me for the kids, and I got them, and one didn't even come in a box, sent that back, and it just wasn't the best experience. So after we slept in our Lullbed, and I loved it, and the kids loved it, my husband loved it, so I ended up purchasing Kensington and Preston their own Lull mattresses. That's how much I love it. The other thing that was great is I just have been going through so much with moving and being pregnant, and the last thing I wanted was to go to a mattress store and test out mattresses and then have to schedule a delivery and all that. I loved that it was so convenient. It was easy to order. Customer service actually called me after I placed the order just to confirm my address, confirm everything, and tell me when I could expect the delivery. So the customer service was great. It was the easiest process. I cannot believe it, you guys. We seriously just cut it open, rolled it out, and that was it. We slept on it that night, and it was so comfortable. So I just want to tell you guys how impressed I am with Lullbed, with their customer service, with how comfortable it is. You guys will not be disappointed. So if you are looking for a new mattress for yourself or your kids, definitely make sure to check out Lullbed, because I know you will love it as much as we do. We just got home. Kensington and I were gone for like 8 hours and got a lot accomplished. Got to see my girlfriend's little baby. We ran to Bed Bath & Beyond and Target. So we got a bunch of errands done, which is great. And Nate got to spend some time with Preston since he's still not feeling the best from having his tonsils out. So he is laying low and letting us take care of him. But I am going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you next time. Bye.